How to fix as Dusk Falls keeps crashing on startup on PC. 1. Run the game, say as duskfalls.exe. Using admin rights. Like this. 2. Disable full screen. Optimization. Like this. 3. Update GPU. Driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Close background processes via WTM. 5. Update Windows OS. Six. Check for Windows optional updates. 7. Verify. Game files. 7.1. For Epic Launcher, 7.2. For Steam Client, 8. Switch to dedicated GPU. Switch to dedicated GPU. 8.1. For NVIDIA GPU, let as Dusk Falls use your high-performance NVIDIA processor. Like this. 8.2. For AMD GPU, refer to the IMG below. Path, Radeon settings, additional settings, preferences, power switchable graphics, application settings, graphics settings, high performance. 9. Disable both Windows Security and Windows Defender, Firewall. 10. Set or change power plan. 11. Give as Dusk Falls a high priority via WTM. Like this. Plan B, perform a clean boot. 12, disable CPU. And GPU overclocking 13, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ runtime 14, check for game update. like this. 15. Disable overlays. 15.1 Disable Steam overlay and turn on the Use Desktop Game Theater while Steam VR is active option. 15.2. Disable Discord overlay. 15.3 Disable Xbox. Game bar. 16. Uninstall then reinstall the Dusk Falls.